A shower door is a worthwhile upgrade to showcase new tile and create the feeling of more square footage. Let's explore our Dreamline shower door collection one detail at a time. For starters, there are 6 shower door types. For tight spaces, we recommend single sliding, dual sliding, or screen doors. For larger spaces, consider an enclosure, hinged, or pivot door. A pivot door can fully open in either direction. Our shower doors offer reversible installation for right or left mounting, so the door swings or pivots with ease. Shower doors are available in multiple heights, 58 inches for tub mounting, up to 76 inches for floor mounting. The widths vary from 28 to 68 inches. With Dreamline's custom adjustment system, you can adjust the width of select doors on either side during installation, offering a few inches of adjustability depending on the door. Dreamline doors are also protected by ClearMax water-resistant coating to prevent lime scale buildup, making cleaning a breeze. When it comes to personal style, there are multiple finishes to choose from. From chrome to black, you won't have to go far for matching shower heads and hardware. Complete your shower with functional additions like a shower bench and niche. Keep your bath products handy and add an architectural element without hassle. Now you can ditch the shower curtain and complete your bathroom with a new shower door. Whether you're starting or finishing your bathroom project, visit your local Floor & Decor or shop online at flooranddecor.com.